one.
Okay, guys, so here we're going to be rating fidgets today. Fidgets. And we have all these fidgets to rate. And a quarter. So the first one we have is this beautiful tie-dye one. This is also ASMR.
But you got that grand candy in between your teeth. I know you was not doing this right now.
It will look like this,
I
and
don't
then
know,
this
grand
is
candy
satisfying this and taste it
no
out.
grand candy you got.
I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. It's not perfect. I don't like the back sound, so I'm going to have to give this a 3 out of 10.
Side eye.
3 out of 10. So then we have my favorite
Side
one.
eye. So. Side eye. I look crazy with my hair up, man.
Okay, I didn't know this one would be like this. This is 2 out of 10. So the next one we have is this satisfying squish ball. I'm gonna have to give this 8 out of 10. Because you're really not doing anything. So then we have this. I gotta let you guys hear it. Uh, 10 out of 10. So then we have these purses here. Let's start with this lemon one. I don't like it. It doesn't pop back. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. They don't pop. And then we get this changing thing. See? It changes. Um, 10 out of 10. This watermelon thing is just white in the inside, so I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10. Then we have this one turning into purple, 3 out of 10. Oh, then we have this satisfying thing where like it's so cool because I have Orby. I'm gonna say 7 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That was amazing. So then we have this little cute keychain. I guess I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. So then we have this tie-dye thing. Out of 10. That was amazing. So then we have this jumbo puppet. Okay. I'm gonna give this like an 8 out of 10. Oh, 10 out of 10. I guess it's like a 5 out of 10. Then we have this cute butterfly. So then we have this little tiny one. It's good. Right now we're going to shake the glitter back on here. Oh, that's good. They're going to be sanitized. Your face. I'm not liking it so far. It's hot. Not good. That's all for today, guys. Bye. That's it for today, guys.